It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm participating in the Calendar Girls collaboration with host Tiffany with Simply Blessed Crafts, as well as Jessica, the busy housewife. Make sure you head on over to these ladies' channels and tell them Joy said hello. So here's the first inserts that I will be using in today's DIY. So as you can see, I have Dollar Tree, and now I am applying some of that Mod Podge to the surface of the wood round, and then I will be drying it and then placing the calendar insert on top of it with some parchment paper. And then I have my little iron here that I purchased from Walmart so that I can reactivate the Mod Podge so that the image will stick to the wood round. And now I'm using some sandpaper from the Dollar Tree to clean up the edges of the wood round. And what I'm doing is basically sanding off the excess paper. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers back to the channel. I hope you all had a great day today, and I hope that you were feeling the love on Valentine's Day. And now you see me taking this nautical rope that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am just going around the perimeter of the wood round, and then I'm cutting off the excess. And I was just sitting there and I was like, okay, what can I do? What can I do? Because I wanted these projects to be fun projects today. And so now I'm taking some of these little petals here, and I am just going around the entire wood round or rope, adding some of these petals to them. I think this turned out really cute. I cannot wait for you guys to let me know what you think about these DIYs in the comment section below. I also want to bring your attention back to the fact that this video is a part of the Calendar Girls collaboration with host Tiffany with Simply Blessed Crafts, as well as Jessica, the busy housewife. So make sure you head on over and show them some love. And now here's the calendar inserts that I will be using for the second DIY. Again, I am going to be doing the same process as I did with number one by applying some of that Mod Podge to the wood square. And then I'm going to dry it using a heating tool. And again, this is the repetitive steps for actually all three projects. And then I'm going to take my image and I am going to apply it to the wood square and just, secure it to the wood square. And then after that is done, I am taking this little June buggy here, or Doom buggy. This is from the summer collection at the Dollar Tree, the signs that they have. And this one had the tiki bar on it. So I'm just sanding off the glitter from it. And then I am going to apply a coat of Waverly brand chalk paint in the color white to it so that I can use the apple barrel paint on top of the Doom buggy. And again, I am using apple barrel paint in the color Pink Eraser. This paint can be found at Walmart. Again, guys, I just want to bring your attention back to the fact that this video is a part of the Calendar Girls collaboration with host Tiffany with Simply Blessed Crafts, as well as Jessica with the busy housewife. And now that I have everything painted, you see where I had applied some of those jumbo tower, tumbling tower blocks to the back side of it, because this is going to be a raised image. And I will be adding some flowers to this piece. I added some beautiful floral ribbon to the front side just to break up that pink And then now I am adding some of those pink roses that you can find at the Dollar Tree, both in long stem as well as some of those little velveteen type roses that you find in like a 6 or 8 pack at the Dollar Tree. And so then I said, well, this is looking kind of boring. So I decided to add some jute rope to the perimeter of the sign. And of course, if you are a regular on my channel, you know somewhere, some way, somehow, I am going to incorporate jute rope to my projects. And this is no exception. I did just that. And of course, adding my bows. And now here's the calendar insert that I use for DIY number 3, which is the final DIY in this collaboration video. I am again doing the same steps that I did in projects 1 and 2, just applying the Mod Podge this time to the calendar insert, the little cardboard that comes with it. And of course I'm going to dry it, and then I will be transferring the image or laying the image on top of the cardboard and reactivating the Mod Podge. You know that whole thing. This is repetitive. I could have left it out, but my video would probably been like 5 minutes if I did that. And so now I have these dowel rods that I purchased from Walmart. You can find dowel rods at the Dollar Tree, but I had some on hand, so I'm using what I have. And I painted it white using the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color white. And I'm sorry I painted this off camera. And then I have some of that apple barrel paint in the color, it's a blue, like a navy blue color. And I just kind of brushed it or wiped it on top of the white paint while the paint was still kind of wet, so that it wouldn't be as dark as the original color. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers back to the channel. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And also, as you can see here, I am taking some of that white ribbon and then some of that lace blue ribbon. I'm laying the lace blue ribbon on top of the white ribbon, securing it to each other, because this will become the hangers for this piece. We are making this into a hanging decor piece. I think this turned out really cute, and I cannot wait for you guys to let me know what you think about all 3 of these projects in the comment section of this video. And right now all I'm doing is making a hanger for this project, just by putting one piece on the front, one piece on the back, and then just using the dowel rod to help me with my spacing. Again guys, as a reminder, this is a part of a collaboration, and I want to make sure that you check out the playlist that I will leave in the comment section of this video, as well as in the description of this video. Make sure you go and check out the host channel as well as the playlist. There are going to be a lot of very talented women participating in this collaboration. And guys, now we're headed into the reveal. And here is the DIY number 1. I've styled it with some of these eggs and pink roses that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I think this turned out really cute and very fun. There's not much I can say. It was something that came to me last minute, so I just went with whatever. And then here's the DIY number 2. Now I will say, if I was to recreate this project, I would probably use a different print. But nevertheless, this turned out cute. You don't have to use this. This is just inspiration, so feel free to do what inspires you. And then here's the final DIY for today. I think this turned out super cute, and if I had to choose one as to be the favorite for tonight for me, then this would be my favorite. I think it is really cute. I don't know if it's because of the little cow, I don't know, but I do like the way this turned out. And guys, here are these styled together. Let me know what you think about each one of them. Again, don't forget that this video is a part of the Calendar Girls collaboration with hosts Tiffany and Jessica. Their information is above.
Bye for now.
And until the next DIY.